Casey, what do we got today?
We got a really good customer struck in. We just did 38 1350 18 Nitto Ridge Grapplers and a 18x9 5 3/4 inch backspace method HD wheel. That presented a really bad rub issue. Not on the BDS radius arms, but on the BDS drop bracket factory sway bar. So today we're installing a Carli sway bar, and hopefully we'll create some more tire clearance for him. But yeah, it rubs really bad. Got some video out in the parking lot pulling it in. Pretty annoying for this nice of a truck. So hopefully this works out and we create the space that he needs. So that's what we got.
We're going to be removing the factory sway bar, the lift drop brackets, and installing the Carli arms. So it mounts right about there.
Huge improvement. A lot of more clearance.
Yep.